Tropical storm warning remains in effect as Elsa stays close to the northeast coast of Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A tropical storm warning continues for Jamaica as Tropical Storm Elsa remains just off the island's northeastern coast. This means that conditions associated with a tropical storm are still expected today. At 7 a.m., the center of Tropical Storm Elsa was located at 18.3 degrees north latitude and 76.2 degrees west longitude, or about 43 kilometers or 26 miles north of Moran Point and 30 kilometers or 18 miles north and northeast of Port Antonio in Jamaica. Elsa is moving towards the west-northwest near 20 kilometers or 30 miles per hour, and a turn towards the northwest is expected tonight or Monday. On the current forecast track, Elsa will stay close to northeastern Jamaica over the next few hours, and then move over parts of eastern Cuba later today. By Monday, Elsa is expected to move across central and western Cuba. Maximum sustained winds remain near 100 kilometers or 65 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some slight strengthening is possible today as Elsa approaches the south-central coast of Cuba. However, gradual weakening is forecast to occur tonight and Monday while Elsa moves across Cuba. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 205 kilometers or 125 miles from the center. Weather conditions over Jamaica are currently being impacted by the heavy showers and thunderstorms associated with Tropical Storm Elsa. Rainfall will continue to spread across most parishes this morning as the center of the tropical storm remains close to the island. Flash flooding is likely in low-lying and flood-prone areas today, with 75 to 150 millimeters or 3 to 6 inches of rainfall in the forecast. Strong winds, reaching to near tropical storm force, are also expected during at least the next 6 to 12 hours. These could generate 1 meter or 3 foot sea swells along coastal areas of mainly northeastern parishes. Small craft operators, including fishers from the Keys and Banks, are reminded to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and the sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continue to monitor the progress of this system, and all interests must pay special attention to further releases.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!